This is David, he's my son-in-law.
Yeah, hey, what's going on everybody on the channel?
We're out here just having a bit of fun popping some locks with the Ramset gun. And that's a Ruger lock off of Ruger guns. Do you want to lock it up? And
Alright. That is locked up now. There we go. I just picked my first lock today, and this will be the second lock that I pick. It took me a couple of hours to pick the first one, so let's see how long it takes me to pick this one. Oh. Come on. Whew.
ooh, it's still alive.
Yeah, that one's still going. All right. We got one more shell cartridge.
Push it.
Oh, all right. There we go. It is seated.
Let me get a better angle.
All right.
See what's going on here.
Pressing it, and wow, that Ruger lock, that does not want to let go.
It's totally deformed, but it's still holding on.
Yeah, wow.
Alright, shoot it again.
Well, currently I'm out of ammo.
You're out of ammo. Go get some ammo.
Alright, doing it. Alright. So, just put the round in. She's loaded up. Does that look like a good spot?
Wherever you think.
Alright. Yeah, that did it.
That did it. That,
Three.
That killed the lock.
Oh man, that was still much faster than me actually trying to pick it. Jeez.
There you go.
This thing's so cool. Oh my goodness, this thing's so cool. And what's the, I guess like what's this like called again? The master shot.
Ramset.
Or Ramset. All right. Cool.
All right.
Hey, what's going on, Jolly Peanut? This is we're gonna try the Ramset against this this master lock. Let's see how she goes. Wow, that did not work. All right. Well, that did not go the way I expected. It looks like I'll have to reposition the Ramset to see if it opens up. This is my first attempt at trying to pick this bad boy.
It's actually warped the lock.
Oh wow!
You see how it's all warped there?
Yeah, it changed the whole thing. All right, I guess it kind of worked.
So that's still locked. I bet the key won't work anymore. We got the key?
We do not have the key. Oh no, you do have the key. Let's see if the...
Wow, it
That's
still
amazing.
Works.
That's
still
amazing.
Works.
All right.
Let's lock it up and do it again.
We'll lock it up and let's try again. Locked.
Alright. Alright, let's load up again and
let's collect the brass and try out. This thing's so cool, man.
so we're using the brown tip ones, which are the low power.
get it.
Zoom in a bit.
All right.
Yeah,
3, 2, 1. Let's do it. Okay. It did not fire.
Okay, open up the Ramset, and I think you got to push that in all the way flush.
Alright, yeah, let me get it all the way flush. Come on, guy.
There's going to be a bit of editing in there.
Thanks for making me look good. I appreciate that. Alright. Attempt number 2, Jolly Peanut. Let's do it.
Do it.
Wow, it did it. Oh my goodness. So if my aim was better the first time, it totally would have popped that lock all the way off.
It would have for sure.
But yeah, it just, that was so fast, man. These Ramsets are amazing. Oh wow.
Let's have a look at the lock, see what it did. Yeah, that's well and truly bent. I don't think that's not going back in.
No, that's
well and truly twisted.
Yeah.
Look how deformed that is.
Yeah, man. Look, that's not the appropriate shape for that lock.
Cool.
All
nice
right.
job.
Thank you so much, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe.